the Deputy CM and Guardian Minister of Pune, Ajit Pawar, has taken the stock of the situation in Pune district headquarters after rains have wreaked havoc in the various parts of the district. He also discussed relief measures with district collectorate and also district disaster management chief. He also instructed the district authorities to provide all the necessary assistance to the affected people, especially in the areas of Pimpri Chindwad, areas which are the worst affected after heavy rains have lashed parts of Pune. And joining me right now is our correspondent Prathamesh. Prathamesh, as we can understand that Ajit Pawar has taken the stock of the situation on Pune rains, and not just rains across Pune, but how the monsoon has now seemed to have affected the very commuter and the daily life of people. Worrying situation right there. Can you just share more details about what is the conversation like and what are the protocols that are going to be taken in consideration?
Yes, correct. In Pune, there is like a flood-like situation currently there in Pune, and after that, the Deputy CM Ajit Pawar and also the Guardian Minister of Pune, Ajit Pawar, has held a meeting with the officers, municipal corporations over there, and he took all the ongoing situation on the field as well. That where is the water logging as well, where as we can see in the from the visuals as well, that the river which was been there, that has been overflowed. It is above the danger level. So that's why the Deputy CM Ajit Pawar also took the meeting with them, with the municipal corporation, and as well as he saw on the big screen that where is the water logging, what is the situation currently on the ground, and also the heavily force has been also deployed. All the policemen has been also deployed on the field, and no one is there. People are not. Police is not allowing people to go where the water logging has been reported, and the severe water logging has been reported in Pune. Yes.
Well, all right. As you are sharing details about the worrying situation persisting in Pune, the Pune district collector has also speaking on the heavy rains that have caused flood-like situation in Pune, while stating that it is raining heavily in the hilly areas of Pune and Western Ghats. He also added that they have declared a holiday for all schools, colleges, and they are monitoring the situation present in the Pune district. Now, he has also said that they have appealed to the industrial establishments to give their employees a day off today, as in the next 3 hours they are also going to expect more rainfall and downpours in the Pune region. One person has died and another one was injured due to a rock slide in Adhavari village in Pune rural. He also stated that 3 people are trapped in a landslide in Daswe village in Lavasa city. The NDRF has been sent for search and rescue ops. Now 3 people died due to the electrocution in Pune city. CM and DCM Ajit Pawar are monitoring the situation. And while speaking on this, he also stated that he would like to appeal to the citizens to not step out unnecessarily. It's an inputs as the havoc due to rains has continued in Pune, and also the electrocution incidents have only been proved to be fatal as more and more rains have lashed the parts of city and made lives miserable and difficult for the people. In fact, such incidents are proving to be a civic apathy for commuters and also civilians. Now, amidst heavy rainfall, there are 3 teams of the NDRF that have been deployed in Pune, with 2 teams in Ekta Nagar and another team in Singhad Road, where 1 team is in Varje. National Disaster Response Force is currently in action, where there have been rescue and search operations for those who have been massively impacted and also seriously injured in the heavy rains and nearly a flood-like situation that's emerging in Pune. Well, all the authorities are also taking stock of the action to maintain the situation which is ongoing, and to take the stock of how it can be contained, where authorities are also making an appeal to the citizens, saying that they should not step out unnecessarily. Now, joining me, I would ask Prathamesh, who has been with us, that what are the authorities now making as a plan for containing the situation for citizens and civilians? As holiday has been declared, employees have been requested to work from home. What are the other action plan that we see annually, these kind of images breaking out during the monsoon season in Maharashtra? But what is the authority actually doing right now to contain the situation and to make it better for civilians, Prathamesh?
Yes, correct. The severe waterlogging has been reported and the severe rain is also been reported in Pune. After that, CM, DCM and also the collector is taking the meetings over there and just keeping the eye on every of the situation. As currently from the district collector, it has been said that all the colleges and the schools in the Pune will be closed today just because of the severe rainfall and the waterlogging. Because from there they cannot cross the roads as well. So this much severe waterlogging has been reported in Pune. Then after that, even Ajit Pawar has took a meeting with the seniors as well. Also from the government, from the Maharashtra government, it is said that for the Punekars that if you don't have unnecessary work, please don't go out, and if you have just be at home and try to do work from home. For all the companies, the people has advised, the government has advised this, that please do work from home if possible. Please don't go out of the house because the severe waterlogging situation has been reported in Pune.
I would also like to ask you to show us in visuals how severe the situation is. I'm sure what we are given to understand is that there are knee-deep waters and everywhere there has been drainage system blocked. But show us in visuals how severe and problematic the situation has been, because remember, the emergency services right now tend to make the biggest worry for all the civilians right now who actually get struck in such a situation. Please show the visuals from where you are standing right now. Are there people who have been stranded? Are there vehicles that have been now stranded on the road as well due to heavy rains and waterlogging?
Yeah, correct. I want to show directly to the visuals as well. See, currently I am standing in Mumbai, and here like the same rain is happening over in Pune as well. The way the severe rainfall is happening in Pune, Mumbai, Lonavala, these are the severe location in which the severe rainfall is also happening. The people are facing traffic due to this, and also the NDRF team has been also deployed. The 3 teams from yesterday also I was saying that if the situation goes high and there, so the NDRF can be seen into the action, and now NDRF is seen into the action. Almost 3 team is been deployed in Pune also, and in the severe rainfall the 3 teams also declared in the 3 teams of NDRF is also deployed in the Pune as.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.